Hello everyone. In this video we will create a kids storybox using Canva with ChatGPT. Okay, this is the sample, the demo that you see. Okay, we will create the box like this. Okay, this is the first page of our book. Let's press this. Okay, this is the second page and third page that we see, and let's move forward. So I have created just 4 pages book. I will show to you how to create a book like this. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to create a book for kids like this. First of all, come here to the Canva website, open Canva website and search here for storybook. Press enter. It will open templates for you. If you would like to choose a built-in template, you can choose that also. But if you would like to start from scratch from a blank page, you can also start that. Okay, so I will press this create blank. Okay, create blank. We will create a blank, take a blank page and we will start it. Okay. So after taking this page, now let's move to the ChatGPT and we will generate a story. Okay, just write, if you have your own story, so just write that story. It will generate story for that. For example, you entered generate a story for rabbit and ant or something else, so it will generate story for that. I just entered ask from ChatGPT that generate kid story to learn something. Okay, for learning something, a short story. Okay, so the ChatGPT generated this story for me. Okay, it's a few lines story. After that, I asked that title for this story. Okay, it generated the title, The Curious Squirrel and Ant Trapped the Trapped Ant, a lesson in kindness. Okay, this is the title and this is the story. Now let's move to back our design. So whenever, let's first of all increase the size of this. So here our story is related to ant and squirrel. Okay, so I will search here now in design, for example, for forest. Okay, and squirrel with ant. If I found a design, so that will be better. Okay, so if you found a design related to a forest, for example, our story is in forest. Okay, once upon there was a less heard of a lush forest, the squirrel and ant were in a forest. Okay, so I found this related to the forest. Okay, so I will open it. This is the title page. Okay, the first page. If you would like to start from scratch, you can enter the text here and an image here and background color, but I will take a template. Okay, this template, let's select this for the title page. I will change now this text. Okay, come here to the ChatGPT, bring it here and come here to the title, a lesson in kindness. I will copy this and just come here. I will change this. Okay, paste it here, and now I will change this text also. Okay, just come here and check this one, copy it and come here and let's paste it. So let's decrease the size for this. Okay, for example 30. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, now we will change this image. Okay, to squirrel and ant. Come here to the elements in the left sidebar and search here for squirrel. So come here to the graphics, and in the graphics let's take this one. Okay, and let's flip it horizontally. So we have flipped it. Let's bring it here and also search for ant. Okay, so after searching for that, let's take a graphics like, for example, this one. Okay, let's flip it horizontally and decrease the size, make it like this. Okay, it looks like better right now. So this is a story for squirrel and ant. Okay, now let's move to a new page. Okay, let's come here down and press add page. In the second page, let's move back to the design. Here we can select a design. Okay, which design is better for us? For example, this one. Okay, select this design. If you found a design better, so select that one. If you didn't find, then design by your own self. Okay, add a background, add a images. Okay, and other images, whatever you want, so you can add those. So here first of all I will insert the text. Okay, this text, let's copy this paragraph. After copying the paragraph, I will paste that here. Control V, paste it. After pasting it, now let's move it here. Now we will insert an image. Okay, this is the story. Here we would like to insert image related to this paragraph, which is a forest. In the forest there is a squirrel. So let's here again for forest, in the graphics. I will find a better design. So let's search. Okay, we will search. Let's search, so it will give us, let's see all. Let's come down and for example this design. Okay, just remove this one, and this design is okay. Okay, this is the poorest, and here we will have a squirrel also. Now let's search for squirrel. Okay, search for that graphics, and we will take an image of squirrel. For example, which one we should take? This one is okay. Okay, let's bring it here. Now let's take another page. Okay, come here, add page. So after that, come here to the elements, to the design, and in the design now let's for example, let's click this one. Okay, or we can insert instead of that this one. Okay, so let's first of all remove this, and here I will change the text. Come here, and here in this paragraph we have Sammy picked up the apple extremely closely. So here in this paragraph there is an ant inside an apple. Okay, trapped in apple. Okay, Control V, and let's increase the size and bring it here. We can also change the text. Okay, comic. Okay, search for comic. If you found that, Comic Sans, so that is okay. Also we will change the text for this one also, which is Comic Sans. Bring it here. Now let's remove these images, and here in this paragraph we have apple with ant. Okay, so come here to the elements, and here we will search apple with ant. For example, here we should select this image. Okay, because an ant is trapped inside apple. I will create another page. Okay, just come here, and here we will select and let's select another page, this one. Okay, so here first of all we will change the text. Here the Sammy, the squirrel, asked from the apple. Okay, let's change it. What are you doing inside this apple? Okay, it is asking from that. Okay, so just come here, and for ant we will take this one, for example. Okay, yeah, let's flip it horizontally and bring it here, and also let's take the or we can select this one. Okay, it is, I think, better than that, this one. And let's take now squirrel. That would be a surprising one. Okay, like this one. Let's flip it horizontally. It is asking from ant, hey, what are you doing? Like this. Okay, we can create a design like this. Just copy other parts of story and add images like this. Okay, so after that we will create a book from that. Okay, so to create a book from that, just come here to the share, press the share button, and come here down to the more. After coming to the more, just come here down, simple booklet flip. Okay, press this design. After pressing this, save it. Okay, so it will save it. If you didn't create, it will ask from you for the first time to create an account. After creating an account, it will create your book, your design. Okay, let's do it. Let's wait. Later we will open that. Okay, we will open our book. So let's press this link. Okay, view in simple booklet flip. We will view it there. So let's replace it. So in which design? Okay, just select your design, this one, or this one, which design you want. Okay, I think, yeah, the first one is better. Okay, the first one is okay, and now let's convert it. I think, I don't know it is a free tool or paid tool, but I have just for the first time I use that to show the book. Okay, we can download it from it or not. My previous book, is there any download button or not to download the page? I think it is a paid tool. Okay, just we will just display our book. Okay, it looks like this. So our book is finished. Let's wait for it. So this is our book, okay, for the kids. We can increase the size also, like this. Okay, this. So it was all about, okay, to create a kids storybook using ChatGPT with Canva website. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. By share button, could we share it? Yeah, we can share it, but there is no all sharing option. We have the download button or not. If we had a download button, so that will be better. So you can search for that, okay, for the download button.